got something to eat. Getting my food 2 a.m., 6 a.m. Here is the hero section. So this is basically work.
Sierra plays, try to leave your home a little bit and touch.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, back with another vlog. So one thing I have to say about being an entrepreneur is that people always think that entrepreneurs are these super energetic people who are never feeling lazy, who are always waking up at 3 a.m, who started working even when they came out from their mothers. So it's currently 1:50 p.m. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's currently 1:50 p.m. And I actually woke up very late today. I woke up about like 1 p.m. and this is because I was watching videos, I was watching shows the whole night, and I slept very late. I slept like at 3 a.m. So this is me waking up very late. I still have a lot to do. I actually missed an interview that I had scheduled today at 3 a.m. because I woke up too late. So that was very irresponsible of me. I have to reschedule it. But this is just to say that some people usually see us and think that we are these super organized, super unfaulty people who are only grinding. Man, there are some days where we fall off. Like, even though it's not good, but there are some days like that. So I just wanted to share it. So right now, I just got something to eat. Getting my proteins right. This is some turkey. Yup, this is all I'm gonna take right now before watching 1 or 2 chores while watching a YouTube video. And yeah, so once I'm done, we're gonna get to the chores, then get to doing the work for today. I have quite some updates to share with regards to the program at university and how I intend to run it from now on. So let's get right into it. Okay, we're back in the office. So the main problem about running a business in Africa while you are not in Africa or you are in the US is the time zone. So there is a time difference between the people who are in the program and the people that work with me. And this makes that I always have to wake up early if I really want to start doing stuff that is actually going to impact the business in a good way, because that's where that's the time that people are actually up in the other side of the world. For example, I have to wake up at 3 a.m. every single day if it's that I want to really do everything that I'm going to do for the day and touch everyone that I'm going to touch. Like the interview I missed yesterday was because we agreed. The interview I missed yesterday was just because we scheduled the interview at 8 a.m. GMT plus 1, and 8 a.m. for me is 3 a.m. and I ended up going to bed at 2 a.m. because I was, I wasn't very responsible. So I can't really go to bed at 2 a.m. and wake up at 3 a.m. That's literally suicide. So what I always do is that I try to sleep early enough so I can wake up at 3 a.m. and start doing my post on Facebook, checking everything with everyone I'm working with, messaging students and stuff like that. So right now what I have to do is that I have to email back everybody who I emailed yesterday for the interviews, and I'll schedule the interviews back to back. Like, I just want to have all the interviews the same day, same time. So I'll try to schedule everything back to back, schedule each interview to last like 45 minutes long, and I'm going to wake up, or I have to wake up tomorrow at 3 a.m. so I can start interviewing the first candidate, and then by, let's say, not 4 a.m, let's say 8 a.m, I can finish with all the interviews and then eventually review everything and see who is a good fit or not. So I'll send out the emails right now and then get right back to you. Okay, so I've rescheduled the different interviews. Here is the interviews on Zoom. Let me see if you can see it. If you can check out the time right now, you see we have 2 a.m, 6 a.m, Friday 10 a.m, 2 p.m. And all this is just because of the difference in time zones. If I don't do it this way, I won't be able to interview everybody on time. And also tomorrow I have to have a class at 1 p.m. my time, which is 6 p.m. GMT plus 1, that is West African time. So I just have to be able to crank it up inside my schedule to be able to do everything. So yeah, I have to be up very early tomorrow and get the interviews done. So right now I'm also working on the website. I'm trying to improve on my landing page. Here is the code, here is the hero section. So this is basically the site I'm working on, and this is not really the best landing page I can have because I'm not really a designer, and I also used AI to help me come up with this design. So it's not really the best, but my designer is currently working on researching for a better landing page and also designing it, and then we are going to start coding it. So this is just temporal, so we can have something that people can actually see when they come on the website. So I'm going to push the changes to GitHub right now. I'm going to go do the dishes because you know your boy has to do the dishes, go to the gym, then come back and do a few more stuff. See you. So I was about to push my changes to GitHub when I realized that instead of having apply now right here, instead of this being apply now, I instead want it to be get started now. So we're going to get over to our code right here. I'll change it from apply now over to get started. I'm trying to type with one hand. We'll just take this off from our editing and then switch to get started now. Okay, get started now. So it looks a little bit better since you have program details taking in more space and get started now taking in more space. It looks quite better. So I'll push everything to GitHub, and my GitHub is set up in a way that once you push everything to GitHub and I merge the changes with my main branch, it's just going to deploy it automatically. So yeah, let's get it.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 너네 넌 계속 보는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough.
Okay, so right now we are at the gym. I was normally supposed to run for 2 miles before starting to carry some weights, but the problem is that I'm not supposed to work based on my feelings, but I really feel like not running right now, so I'll probably just do a mile. I'm with my boy Ramses.
Hey, stay disciplined. Hey, stay disciplined.
He didn't even want to go to the gym at all, but we have to
Here
do
we
it.
are.
Yeah, we have to do it either way. Yep, so I'm just going to carry some dumbbells, do some, how they call it, bicep curls, and then we're going to get back home, and yep.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching, don't really.
Yo, we're about to get a lemonade. After a gym session, you gotta stay hydrated. You know, it's always good to walk around, just look at the town, see every place, just try to leave your home a little bit and touch grass. That's what's up.
Yo, so it's currently 5 a.m. I don't know if you can see the time. It's currently 5 a.m. right now. I was supposed to have an interview at 5 a.m. but it's currently 5:22 a.m. So I just realized that instead of having an interview, because I'm quite new to all this, instead of having an interview to determine if the developer is the right fit or not, I think what is going to be better is if I create like a coding interview or coding assessment where the person can actually put their skills into practice in a limited time frame. So I think that's going to be more effective because I actually recruited a React developer one time, and I only had to do like a verbal interview, and it actually turned out really, really bad. The person wasn't who they said they were, and we ended up working like for a month before we parted ways. So what I'm going to do is that I already have a coding interview prepared. I'm going to give them the coding interview first, and then based on their performance on this coding interview, that's when we're going to have a call, and we'll see if we just vibe. And yeah, so I'll be emailing them the interview right now, and then yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. But what I have to do for the day is not over, because I still have to schedule classes. I still have quite some couple of things to do. So yeah, so thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.